Hello, this is Nettyos getting started, and now after reloading the web application, you are in the main Nettyos area today list, and now you can see nothing here, only one message, get some rest and all done. And this is very good from the psychology point of view to get some rest after small things done. Finishing many small things systematically can lead to really big positive changes in all life. Okay, but let's talk about this topic and first case, okay, what case can be in Nettyos? Let's click future, okay, and in future we can see, just imagine that your wife a top model, and she has got in 1st of December fashion week, and let's check it out. What is okay? In 8:30 makeup. This is scheduled for 1 day. This will be active in 57 days, 13 hours and 44 minutes. And after makeup in 9:30 Max Mara show, and in 10:30 new makeup for the new show, and in 11:30 Brunella Cucinelli, in 12 Fendi shooting, then food, Prada filming, Prada digital show, charity shooting in 15:30, posting projects, makeup, new makeup, and etro show in 18, Vogue Italia in 19, and finally food in 20:30. Okay, this is scheduled for 1 day of a model, and this is real use case. But in our today list, we can see just nothing, only one message, and we can add simply a ticket to success. We call ticket to success. What does it mean, ticket to success? You can simply go to the menu, left top, Nettyos and Nettyos guide. Okay, and here you can find this is what does it mean? Ticket to success. It could be a deal, an apparent plan, an idea, a meeting event, a project goal, and much more. And you can let's find out a few real cases. For example, buy shares of Google. Somebody told you that this is good idea to buy shares of Google, and you decided, okay, I will do it a bit later in the evening, but today. And you simply add this ticket into your today list. Other one, stop subscription. You want to decide to stop subscription or not, and here you can provide additional information, for example, name of the service, and you can choose date, the date before money will be withdrawn from the bill, and let's decide it today in 23 hours. And here you can find a counter that you got only 4 hours 11 minutes to make your final decision, stop subscription or not. Other case, for example, sign up documents and mail to partners. For example, you drive in your car and you can't do it in that moment, but you can do it in the evening in your office or in your cabinet. And this is also one of the cases for today list. Other one, new ideas for banners. Okay, simply to understand, and you want to just to create, you want to find out new ideas for banners, some kind of rebranding your personal brand or something else, and you can add additional information. For example, basic colors. Red, green, and white. And you will not remember it. You may simply put it into the category idea backlog. And later, when you click into to this button, you can find this in the list. New ideas for banners. Here in your ideas. Okay, let's find out how can you resolve some questions using Nettyos.com, and this is easy. You can simply just move cursor to the item, to any item. For example, what does mean future? And we can see here you can see tickets with tomorrow, later, and future dates statuses. So all statuses you decided to the future will be showed here. Let's create such status. For example, buy shares of Google. You want to think a bit more and simply mark it with status later. Okay, you will think about later, and in your today list, no ticket about to buy shares of Google or not. But if you click future, do remember we read it a few moments ago. Here you can see tickets with tomorrow, later, and future dates. Okay, click it, and now we can find buy shares of Google. And maybe you decided to make it actual again, and back to the year today list. And we click it again, and this is this ticket inside your today list. How to find information when if you use mobile devices, for example, you have got no cursor there, but you can simply press this button. Okay, look, color was changed from blue to orange, kind of orange, and again, and in the bottom Nettyos guide, click the item you would like to find information about. Okay, we can click it again. Here you can see text, and it disappears. It disappears, but now you can click any item, and instead of action, you will get information about it. So we click future, yes, and we got future list in the bottom. And now we click it, and we will get this information. The text here you can see tickets with tomorrow, later, and future dates. Okay, got it. And no future list, only information from the Nettyos guide. The same with other things. Let's find out with this button. For example, your employer or somebody from a company made a call and told you that he or she already made it. Sign up documents and mail to the partners. And for example, his or her sign equal to yours in this case, and you know that you can just delete this ticket. You don't need it anymore, and uh, now we need to find out what does it mean, this button. I clicked here, question mark, and here, and instead of any action, I can see remove ticket totally, safety system on, no way to recover. Okay, this is the same note. If you move cursor here, and you can see this is here, and if we click, you can see that safety system on, and again this is a blue color, again few seconds, and this is blue color. You can delete it from casual click, and now from random click, and now you can delete it with 2 clicks, sorry, 1 and 2. Okay, ticket removed. So this way you can find out about any thing, about any item on the screen. Just click here and read the text, what it does. Also, you can just simply go directly to the Nettyos guide and find here uh, key features if you use Nettyos for personal and family cases, for personal growth and projects, and with your team. This is the main today button. We will rename this button in all versions till today, but now this is today only in mobile versions. This button in the top of the screen will move you to your today list, to the main list. Okay, let's find out, let's create a few more cases, a lot of cases in the every life of each person. Let's decide you want to go to the barbecue. You need what barbecue set and the drinks. Sorry. And for example, you want to go to the barbecue set with your friend. You can simply decide what should you do. For example, you will handle this question about barbecue set, and your friend will take drinks. And here you can just click my friend, and your friend now got reminder from alerting system, and in his today list he can see this ticket you shared with him, and you can see the status of this ticket here. To my friend, it will be marked background with different colors, the colors of tickets. Okay, and let's create one more case. For example, 5 years ago, you person has got such dream. I want somebody to deliver me food. It was 5 years ago, and okay, it was added 5 years ago, for example, and moved to idea backlog. Uh, this is area. You can simply find out what kind of tickets are here, and it's easy. Your ideas, thoughts, and dreams are here. It's like kind of personal backlog, and we can press it and find out our ideas. I want somebody to deliver me food. It was 5 years ago, and uh, now these days you can just reset this in your today list. And today in the COVID-19 pandemic, it is very actual business to deliver food. And of course, a lot of devices that works well, not like 5 years ago, but better. And uh, you can simply start your own business. And started from creating an app, create EOS app, create web app. Okay, let's decide two tickets for this business, and now you can simply go from your personal list to your personal projects. Tab menu, personal projects, add new project, fast food delivery. FFD, this is the name of your personal project, and you want to move fast food delivery and assign to fast food delivery these tickets. Two tickets now in the fast food delivery project. This is not basics of Nettyos, but you can see how easy go from your today list, from your personal list, to making new project. And here you can see fast food delivery project selected, and in your today list you can see create web app and create iOS app. And this section synchronized with your today list. But if you put it, for example, here, project backlog, and here, you won't find it in your today list anymore. Let's go back to our today list, and no tickets about fast food delivery. But you can go to your personal projects, back, choose the project, and see, oh, this is here. And for example, you decided to start from create web app. Yes, good decision. In progress, synchronized with your today list. And now you can see, yes, this is here, and you can start your project from this point. Okay, I think this is enough for the getting started. Later you can find out what does mean teams. Okay, you can create your team and create projects if you want. For example, if your FFD, if your fast food delivery project will be growing and need more people, you simply create team and do all with team, and without barriers between your personal list and your corporate list, your private business, all in one. Here you can just open today list and find out what do you want to do. Okay, for example, you decided to stop subscription and not pay money anymore. Just done status. You've got Netty coin, Netty silver coin for this, and you bought shares of Google also, and we'll figure it out. And the basic rule in Nettyos to make this list clean. No tickets should be here, so you should do this or move it to tomorrow. Let's decide we want to do it tomorrow and tomorrow and all tomorrow. So now this main ticket, this main list empty, and this is the basic Nettyos rule to make your today list empty. You can you can simply find everything in categories, future category, completed. What did you finish today? You bought shares of Google, stop subscription, and okay, decide it's just testing account. Okay, but you can search any ticket. For example, you forgot where is banners, and this is also, it is not mistake, just it was added twice, and you can find a new idea for banners, and you can continue edit to the today list and back, and start working with new banners, with new themes and new design. Okay, and but the first rule to make this list empty, and this way algorithms of Nettyos.com will work well. And secondary rule, put here everything: your thoughts, your ideas, your dreams, goals. Okay, just tickets to success. Again, you can find them easy here in Netty Guide. What does it mean? And also you can use tooltips, just moving cursor to the items you like, or simply click this question mark and find out more information. All the best to you, and goodbye.